13 amazing and DIY-able tree houses for kids. This two-story tree house from Living Edge Treehouses and Edible Landscapes featured on House connects a simple tree platform to a raised shelter via a cargo net passage. It provides plenty of spots to sit and play, and it's an ideal setting to hang out and catch the breeze on a warm summer day. Although it may sit a little lower to the ground than your average treehouse, this pint-sized tree stump palace spotted on Made with Happy will leave your little one on cloud 9. With a cheery yellow interior, clean blue and white striped curtains, and roughly a 3-foot drop to the grass below, it's the perfect starter home for an adventurous toddler. With its rustic chevron walls in multi-toned woods, this simple tree house by blogger Carrie Bloomston transforms reclaimed wood into an artful and visually interesting play space. Because the tree involved was too small to hold up a tree house, the family instead built a freestanding platform around it. The interior features a comfy spot to read and enjoy the nice weather. It may be tucked snugly against the ground, but this Hobbit-inspired hideout from Ghetto Cottage on Instructables still can count as a form of tree house. Built around the base of a tree and covered with a grassy roof, this sweet little house creates a beautiful play space for kids. Plus, it fits right in with its natural surroundings. Cedar shake shingles and a corrugated metal roof add rich textural dimension to this simple plywood playhouse by Shannon of Dirt Digging Sisters. With no treehouse-worthy tree in sight, the family had to improvise. They incorporated a sapling tree into their design that will hopefully grow into its new digs. This rustic tree house featured on House by Whitney Lyons incorporates organic materials and scrap lumber into a simple design that blends nicely into its garden surroundings. The best part is the bucket on a pulley. It's perfect for passing secret messages and other goodies to friends above. Spotted on House, this custom tree fort from Stout Design Build is a childhood dream come true. The multi-deck tree house features swings, a slide, and even a rock climbing wall. The hand-painted signs add a personalized touch, and you could even turn them into an art project with your kids. Made entirely of repurposed wood pallets, this humble tree fort from Homesteadics cost only $30 to pull together. Add cushions, pillows, blankets, and a string or two of fairy lights, and you'll have a comfortable hideaway that will entertain your kiddos all summer long. Plus, the pallets can be painted to further customize your design. This contemporary reinvention of the classic tree house from Austin Outdoor Design and featured on House boasts rich tigerwood slats and floating stairs. The look comes together with its elegant, modern steel frame. It's fun for the kids and a beautiful art piece for your yard. This 4-post platform treehouse, spotted on Ideas Diferentes on Instagram, leaves plenty of room for a pair of comfy hammocks suspended below the main deck. You can have fun playing up top, and then you can curl up in a hammock below with a good summer read. With its clean lines, steel foundation, and corrugated plastic walls, this contemporary playhouse by Studio 30 Architects is almost sculptural in its beauty. It offers fun for the kids, along with aesthetic appeal for the backyard. Plus, its plastic walls keep the interior protected from the elements. This beautiful woodland tree house from Barbara Butler doubles the amount of aerial play space, thanks to its use of 2 neighboring trees. One tree holds a tree house while the other has an open platform for variety. And a cargo net bridge connects the trees and offers multiple ways to climb and play. Few tree houses, modern or otherwise, are as eye-catching as this wood slat cube created by Naco Architectures and featured on Duende. You don't need a huge budget or expert building skills to create this treehouse. The design is easy to replicate with straight cuts on the wood pieces. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.